Is drinking garlic water healthy? Can I drink garlic water every day? What happens when you drink garlic water? What happens if we eat garlic daily? What are the benefits of garlic? So, in this video, you are going to know about the benefits of garlic water. If you are the first time in this channel, then hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell, so that you won't miss any updates. Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. Garlic has been used as a medicine for thousands of years by the Chinese, Egyptians, Babylonians, Greeks, and Romans. Garlic is extremely beneficial for your lipid profile. And this means only one thing: drinking garlic water will help stabilize your blood pressure. A study by the Faculty of Science at Kuwait University stated that raw garlic can effortlessly lower blood glucose levels, and garlic water is perfect for that. What happens when you drink garlic water? According to the book Healing Foods, garlic is universally recognized for its health-promoting benefits, aiding the circulatory and digestive systems, boosting the immune system, lowering blood pressure, and fighting heart disease. It even helps to eliminate toxins. What happens if we eat garlic daily? When taken by mouth, garlic can cause bad breath, a burning sensation in the mouth or stomach, heartburn, gas, nausea, vomiting, body odor, and diarrhea. These side effects are often worse with raw garlic. Garlic may also increase the risk of bleeding. Raw garlic is possibly unsafe when applied to the skin. So what are the benefits of garlic? 1. Detoxes the body. A diet trend that has taken our nation by storm in recent years is detoxing the body. It may not taste great, but getting some raw garlic in your body in the morning can help get the detox process started. Mixing the water and garlic will make a juice that will help you feel better through the day. 2. Keeps blood glucose levels normal. Who would have thought garlic helps with blood sugar? People with type 2 diabetes can incorporate garlic juice into their diets. There are over 400 chemicals in garlic that interact with your body to keep it firing on all cylinders. It boosts levels of insulin that naturally occur in the liver to help keep your sugar levels regulated. 3. Helps patients with tuberculosis. Garlic contains an element called allicin. Allicin works in the body to help prevent the replication of bacteria in the body. Just as a rule of thumb these days, with all the weird superbugs out there, anything that helps your body combat bacteria is always a great idea. 4. Helps reduce cough, asthma, and common cold symptoms. Mixing raw garlic extract in the water a couple of times a day can help that cough go away. Just a note: garlic is not recommended for the prevention of asthma in the absence of regular asthma medication, but it is a great supplement to help the condition. 5. Help reduce cholesterol. While garlic is not always tasty, there are properties called phytosterols that help lower LDL cholesterol. It is definitely not a replacement for cholesterol-lowering medicine, but it can help your body enhance the medication's benefits to lower your cholesterol. This will help your heart walls as well. 6. Eye health. Garlic has antimicrobial properties that will help with your eye health. They are rich in sulfur, which has been shown to help with the formation of cataracts. As you get older, cataracts can become a danger, and sometimes you don't even know you have them until it is too late. 7. Helps reduce urinary tract infections and kidney infections. Garlic has powerful antibacterial properties, as previously stated. Because garlic has properties in it for fighting bacteria and is great for cleaning toxins from the body, it also has the ability to stave off infections of the urinary tract and kidneys. While it may seem weird, garlic is actually considered an aphrodisiac. That being said, fresh garlic extract in the form of a juice, it can help with circulation. Garlic contains allicin, which stimulates circulation to sex organs in both men and women. 9. Healthy skin benefits. One of the main ingredients in garlic is allicin. Allicin is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Anything that reduces inflammation is helpful when it comes to skin health. 10. Helps prevent hair loss. Just drinking some garlic juice can help you with keeping that mane beautiful. 11. Boost your immunity. Garlic has antimicrobial, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties, all wrapped up in one herb that a handful of pills every day could not provide you. Even transplant recipients have a compromised immune system. If we all drank some garlic juice, we could boost our own immunity and health and, at the same time, do a small part to cut down on the spread of common illnesses. 12. Weight loss benefits. Women over 40 know all too well that pooch that hangs around when they have a child. Well, cortisol is a hormone that is secreted when you are stressed. It causes your body to store fat. 14. Helps to combat cancer. If you really stop and think about it, a lot of cancer processes start with inflammation. Allicin is a natural anti-inflammatory, so you are giving your body a boost. 15. Ward off the flu. It is really amazing how inflammation is the root of so much illness and injury to the body, so anything that can help keep your body in a good place is worth it. I know it is hard to believe that all this can happen because of garlic and garlic juice. It is also wonderful to live in a world where we don't have to walk around smelling like we're trying to ward off a vampire either to be healthy. Anything that has so many benefits for the body is always a good idea. So that was the benefits of garlic water. Hope you like it. Thank you very much for listening and leaving feedback. Subscribe and share, it really helps the channel. Thank you.